Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a kale hair mask, and yes, kale, and it's just 5 ingredients. Pretty simple, so stay tuned and keep on watching.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that...
So starting off with the kale, I originally showed you guys 2 handfuls, but I ended up using the whole bag because after blending that I realized that it was so little for my hair, so I needed more for my length. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil.
says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
2 tablespoons of black seed oil.
Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?
1 tablespoon of lemongrass oil.
Now till the morning light, before you turn
2 tablespoons of jojoba oil.
away. I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind
Now it's time to blend the mixture.
that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you.
Kale helps hair with elasticity, which keeps hair stronger. Kale is loaded with vitamin A, which is great for our hair. It also produces healthy sebum and fights free radicals. It boosts cellular turnover and promotes hair growth. It hydrates the hair, strengthens the hair, and of course, detox the hair. I don't know if it was the mixture of the oils and stuff, but when I was finished, my hair was so soft and felt so silky, and I've made a lot of masks, but this one, I'm telling you, game changer. Make sure you remove the stalk from the kale and just use the leaf, because it was very messy and it leaves like strands in your hair, so remove that. Just get the leaves from the kale.
Over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen.